Okay, so my fiance was wanting me to look at our robot vacuum cleaner. Um, it was making like a weird noise, a lot of grinding. Like this one's good. I wish I didn't so I can show y'all on camera, but oh, there it goes. See, like right now it's locked up. Can't really move it. It's hard to move. Spin it the other way. So I'm like, man, they sell replacements, probably. But I'm gonna just look and see what's wrong with it. So then stumbled across. So my friends, that is a, what is that? That is a baby wipe. Sucked up baby wipe. Well, baby wipe probably got sucked up right through there. Locked it up. And then just some paper. Yeah. It should work good as new. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, a lot quieter. It was making like a very bad grinding sound, and I'm thinking it was just burning out the motor, locking it up. So, it works.